Magandang araw everyone! Welcome ulit sa aming channel, La Pamilya Stepanov. Sa vlog na to ay patuloy namin ibabahagi ang aming pamumuhay dito sa probinsya ng Pilipinas. Ipapakita namin sa inyo ang ganda ng ilalim ng karagatan ng Pilipinas. Sa aming pamamasyal makakita din tayo ng mga unggoy. At pupunta kami ng cafe sa isang bukid na may magandang view. Saan kaya ito? Malalaman mamaya. May dadating din kaming espesyal na bisita. Kilalanin mamaya si Eugene. Masisiyahan ba siya sa bakasyon niya dito sa Pilipinas na may dumating na low pressure sa pagdating niya?
The wind. The wind's so strong, taking away our umbrella.
Magandang umaga, papunta kami sa airport ngayon para sunduin ang aming kaibigan na si Eugene. Masaya at excited nga si Yuri na nagising ngayong araw dahil alam niya na ngayon darating ang kanyang paboritong uncle. Later sa part ng vlog na ito, ipapakilala namin kung ano si Eugene sa buhay namin.
Они здесь, в машине. Как долетел.
Иди сюда!
From the start. Где Анка уже говорит, в магазин поехал.
Скучал? Есть мы? А? Алло! Да, всем привет, я вернулся ненадолго. Только я вернулся не к ним, а к Юрчику. Да, я скучал по нему больше всего, поэтому я приехал посетить его. А мне по барабану на них вообще, мне пофигу на них, да. А вот Юрчик, моя
Так, ладно,
любовь.
я высаживаюсь. Юра.
Ой, ты по-русски-то говоришь, понимаешь? Хорошо.
We come to Eaton Mall and Yuri wants to go to playground. Сил каких-то. Оп. Okay, where is playground? Show me. We done eating.
Yes, that was a scrumptious lunch.
Eugene go to pick up Yuri and we want to check if they really give him Yuri, our Yuri to him, to some stranger or no. Let's check.
Let's check how their security system works.
Oh, they said that he can bring him, but cannot stop time. So they're more worrying about just who will pay. Yeah.
The more worry about money than security.
To stay?
Yuri, you want to stay more?
No. Yurchik's car almost ready.
Bago kami umuwi ng bahay ay dumaan na muna kami sa may fruit market para bumili ng mga prutas dahil na-miss din ni Eugene ang mga prutas dito sa Pilipinas.
Привяжу.
Собака!
Может. Так, машина. Свои. Time for gifts.
Да. У меня теперь
О.
три дома, три родины.
It's from New Zealand. Wow. О, Юрчик.
Реально шестерка.
Только it's a Russian car. You- New Zealand snacks. What? Poo?
Какашки чили.
It's chocolate. It's the creativity.
First time I will try
I never seen chocolate with kiwi. Kiwi fruit.
Babaevsky.
Cherry.
It's our favorite.
No?
My favorite brand in Russia.
Baba. You know Baba?
Flower.
Do you know what it is?
Oh, it's my mama favorite.
Why not? No, we can now make pesto. Oh, it's a product of Italy, by the way.
Most of my stuff is for you. Oh, this one. And you know what it is?
Ah,
Walkie-talkie. We're gonna talk to you. You have it? Do you have it?
yeah, but
New Zealand.
it's a logo. It's for baby sis.
For baby.
It's already too small for Yuri.
Okay, this is for you. Yeah, this is for you. This is Maori.
Wow, that's cool. Thank you.
Yuri, your turn. Your turn.
See, Baba, try.
Your turn. Ta-da. It's not, that's not, read it.
Someone who loves me very much went to New Zealand and got me this t-shirt.
But it's big. It's still big. I think it's big. Oh, more for you.
It's a kid. 1 kiwi, 2 kiwi.
And actually, okay, I want you to wear it. Now,
Wow, they're
now look at that. Now look at that.
They're twinning. They're
It's
twinning.
a little big for you. A little big for you.
Okay, oversized.
You see it? You see it?
Yes, they say.
Yeah, when we're gonna
Papa jealous.
Look. So jam.
Some
Wait.
Tomato? Tomato jam?
No. Я снял видео. Ты можешь даже вставить его в ролик.
Yeah.
Okay, I made it from red currant
Ah, you made this one.
myself.
Yeah.
Was it red color?
Красная смородина.
Look.
Ah,
I saw that in your dacha.
Дальше я уже не ходил.
red.
Currant? Currant.
So this is red.
There's
currant.
also black.
Very popular in Russia. We have it also in our country house.
Oh, it's open.
And
Wow.
you can just pick it up this harvest and blend it with sugar. So
Yes.
it's really
2 days ago, so it's really fresh.
right now.
It's a little bit sour.
It tastes like some fruit here also, some wild fruit
You want
here.
to try?
Wild?
Jam. Jam.
Taste of bugnay.
Yeah.
Try it here, try it.
Bugnay. Tastes like bugnay.
I don't know.
Wild fruit here.
Actually, this one is
Yeah.
semi.
And similar, like also round. Sobrang natuwa nga ang lahat sa mga regalo ni Eugene at ang aking mother-in-law sa Russia ay nagpadala din ng package para sa amin. We don't have this in
Just
Philippines.
you just put water
You just
and
put
it's
water
coloring.
and you color it.
Wow,
It's for little kids.
leave it for you.
Look. There's more pages. Oh,
It's like
wow.
kind of magical. Yuri, look.
Wow.
You
Yuri,
just
so
put
this
water.
is how you do it.
You
put
don't lick
water-
it.
You put water in your finger and then you color here.
It's not a bad
Wow.
Yep. Red. You didn't call it.
Ah, red. Your book.
И водная
Thank you, Babushka.
раскраска. So this one,
100.
yeah, send my mama. Also gift to Eugene. It's a bottom.
Button.
It's a button for 100,000 subscribers.
In Russia.
Some Russian social media, social network, no, social.
Itong button pala na ito guys ay galing sa Yandex, isang Russian social media na meron ding channel si Dimitri doon. Last year pa to na-receive ng mother-in-law ko sa Russia. This
Origin.
Altai cheese. Let's try this. Oh, it smells good.
I'm going
It smells
to
good.
mind you.
Maybe. Oh, don't. I want you to wear it tomorrow when we go to the market because I'm gonna wear my one. Mine.
Not.
No, not. I like it.
What?
Kasabay nga ng pagdating ni Eugene ay dumating din ang isang low pressure kaya grabe talaga ang ulan dito sa bukid. Maliligo pa sana kami ng dagat pero ang lakas ng ulan. Kaya naglaro na lang sila ng video games at uminom ng wine para i-celebrate ang pagdating ni Eugene at para na rin makapagpahinga siya sa kanyang napakalayo na biyahe. Sa araw na ito ay Sunday at maagang nag-brown out sa amin kaya dito na muna kami mag-almusal sa may Valencia Sunday Market. Together. You want picture?
So, I will make story.
Picture!
Team.
Hi.
Let's do more.
Watching Teacher Rachel. Sa hapon naman na to, nilalagyan nila Eugene at Dimitri ang aming kubo ng net para hindi makapasok ang mga lamok. Gusto kasi subukan ni Eugene na dito siya matulog ngayong gabi at pag nagustuhan niya dito siya matutulog sa buong bakasyon niya. So, sino nga ba si Eugene sa buhay namin at bakit close na close siya kay Yuri? Si Eugene ay isang Russian din. Kami ay nagkakilala noong 2022 pagka-uwi namin dito galing sa Russia. Pero sabi niya, kilala na daw niya si Dimitri dati pa, 2018 pa. Taong 2018 siya dumating dito at yun ding taon na yun, unang dumating si Dimitri dito sa Pilipinas. At sometime daw, nagkakilala na sila sa isang beach dito sa Darwin pero hindi lang sila nagka-communicate at nagkakita noon after. Noong pandemya kasi ay umuwi si Eugene sa Russia at kami naman nagpuntang Vietnam. Pagkatapos ng pandemya ay pareho kaming bumalik dito sa Pilipinas taong 2022. Doon na nagka-reconnect sila ni Dimitri at mula noon lagi na namin siyang kasama mag-travel. Sa mga travel namin last year siya yung mostly kasama namin. Siya din kasama ni Dimitri mag-gym, mag-scuba diving, mag-free diving. Magkasama kaming nag-aral nga ng scuba diving at free diving. At talagang naging close sila ni Yuri dahil mahilig din siya sa bata. At talagang nakikipaglaro din siya kay Yuri at ini-spoil niya nga ito. Tinuturing talaga niya na pamangkin si Yuri at kanyang child best friend. Kaya super duper close silang dalawa. Nitong January nga this year ay umalis si Eugene papuntang New Zealand para mag-aral. May mga plano siya sa kanyang buhay din. Pero after niya daw mag-aral sa New Zealand, babalik siya kaagad dito. Meron lang siyang kinukuhang 1-year course doon. Babalik siya dito sa Pilipinas kasi mas gusto niya tumira dito. At mas tinuturing niya ang Pilipinas na second home niya.
I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. Oh, here. Oh, smells delicious.
Hala mga Jong, banat, nahirapan talaga sila sa pagbukas ng durian. Paborito daw to ni Eugene ng durian kaya bumili sila kahapon. Dito din niya sa Pilipinas actually natutunan at unang nakakain ng durian.
Я мечтал об этом несколько месяцев.
Ну как?
Прекрасно вообще. Лучшее, что может быть в этой жизни.
Cup visitors. We're going to have some picnic here.
Napakaingay daw ng kambing at ang mga baka ng aming kapitbahay kagabi. Pero nakatulog naman daw si Eugene ng maayos. Malamig daw sa kubo pero makapal naman daw ang blanket niya. Kaya kahit maingay ang mga hayop, nakatulog pa din siya. Ngayong araw nag-prepare ako ng maaga ng breakfast kasi Lunes ngayon at may pasok si Yuri. Wow! Baby sis will eat dragon fruit today. Red dragon fruit. She's excited for her dragon fruit. Let's eat! Wow, wow.
What about your pet?
My pet is Baka, myself, Cherry. Baka.
What's your favorite toy? Can you share to us what's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is Spider-Man.
Wow. And where do you want to play?
I play in fire.
Wow. And do you have somewhere like you wanna go?
I go to a big fire.
Wow. What's the name of your mom?
My house.
And what's the name of your dad?
To live to.
Do you love your mom and dad?
Yeah.
Do you have friends? Do you have friends? Can you share to us the name of your friends? What about your baby sister? What's the name of your baby sister?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you love your sister?
Yeah. Yes, Kiki.
Alright. So what do you want to do at home?
Play my favorite.
Wow. Okay. Can you say that's all, everyone?
That's all.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Alright, let's give a hand to Yuri, everyone. Let's clap our hands to Yuri. Good job, Yuri. Very good.
Kuya, how's school today?
Great.
Great. You had fun? So much fun, yeah? What is that?
I have my own stockpile here.
Baby sis can crawl now.
Oh.
Wow! Go, go, baby sis! Kuya, Kuya, don't disturb her, Kuya. Go, 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 baby sis! Go, go, go! Kuya, don't hold her. Let her do it.
Go.
Let her do. Wow! Almost hulog.
You got it.
Yay!
Go bases. Go bases. Let's go.
Today is another day, guys. Maaga ako nagluto ng almusal. Wala pala pasok sila Yuri ngayon dahil sa isang low pressure na naman. Marami sila homework pero si Yuri ayaw niyang gawin ang kanyang homework, guys. Kasi mas gusto niya mag-edit dito sa Photoshop. Tinuruan kasi siya ng kanyang papa the other day. Sabi niya sa akin, "Mama, I hate homework. This is more fun." O, diba? Mas interesado siya sa Photoshop kaysa gawin ang kanyang homework. But, anyway naman, magagamit niya ito in the near future. Kaya mas mabuti na rin na naging interesado siya dito. Sobrang lakas na nga ng ulan since sanggabi pa. Nawala na yung isang low pressure pero meron na namang isang pumasok. Mga halos isang linggo din umulan ng umulan dito kaya wala na kaming napasyalan masyado. Na-cancel pa pati tuloy ang aming scuba diving this week dahil sa ulan. Kaya namalagi na lang kami sa bahay at nililibang namin ang sarili sa pagtatrabaho at paglalaro ng video games pag may kuryente. Kasi dito sa bukid tuwing umuulan, palagi ding nagba-brown out kaya kailangan na talaga namin mag-invest sa solar. Meron kaming power bank ngayon pero 2 oras lang ang kaya nito kaya hopefully in the next month or next week makapag-invest na kami sa solar or kaya mas magandang power bank. Minsan sa isang araw, nagpunta kami ng mall para maglibang kasi naburing na talaga kami sa bahay na paraging walang kuryente since umuulan.
Let's go check on Kojin in our little house, bamboo house. He stayed overnight there and it's rainy, we don't have power. And it's the time we need to consider about solar panels.
There's a wind. The wind's so strong, taking away our umbrella.
Okay, my turn to make a video.
Welcome to my vlog as a guest.
In their house. Okay, make a coffee.
Make us really strong and good coffee.
He's sitting there.
Hi baby sis! What are you eating? What are you eating? Hi! Hello! What are you eating? You're eating potato and cauliflower? Yes! Sa araw nga na ito ay sinubukan talaga namin na bumaba sa beach kasi gusto namin talaga ng mag-swimming at si Yuri rin. Pero grabe ang lakas pa rin ng hangin at ang lakas ng alon. Kaya hindi talaga kami nakapag-swimming. Pero at least nag-enjoy si Yuri sa pool. Not good!
Quite dangerous, really.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got hurt?
When we go back,
Corals, right?
my daughter bring us back there.
Kuya,
Hi.
having fun?
Yeah. One crocodile.
Is it cold?
No. I like cold.
You like cold? Baby sis, do you want to swim with Kuya? So excited. She also wants to swim with Kuya. She's so excited for Kuya. Something. Look at that. What shape is that?
A little shark.
Yeah, heart. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 baby. So I was wrong about the weather. It's not getting better. So raining. But look at that. It's so beautiful. I like that. I like the view of the sea with rain.
We go out.
And now it's sunny again. Sunny and windy at the same time, and it's still drizzling.
Unpredictable.
Very unpredictable weather here in the Philippines. Finally, tumigil na din ang ulan at lumipas na ang low pressure ngayong araw. Dumating ang mag-i-install ng bintana sa aming outdoor toilet. Ngayon lang din sila nagtrabaho ulit kasi nga dahil sa low pressure. Nakakalungkot, nasira na ang mga pananim ko dito na mga mais. Sayang talaga, natumba silang lahat pero sana makarecover pa sila at tumuloy yung pagbunga nila. On the way naman sa magandang bukid na papasyalan namin ay may nakita kaming mga unggoy sa gilid ng daan. Kaya tumigil muna kami dito at nagpakain ng mga unggoy at sobrang naaliw naman si Yuri. Who is that?
Cheeky
Cheeky little
little monkey.
monkey?
He grabbed it so fast.
Yes, he grabbed the banana so fast. Good business here. Bananas and monkey on the other side. Just yeah, the mama one with the baby. Look at that with baby sis, with Amelia. Baby monkey Amelia. She can get hungry very fast. She's feeding her baby. Breastfeeding. Oh, cute. I can relate to that monkey, the mother monkey. With a bit. Ito talaga ang sadya namin dito sa Valencia ngayong araw, ang Chosen's Cafe. Dito to sa Malaonay, Valencia Negros Oriental. Ang sarap mag-relax at magkape dito habang pinapanood ang napakagandang view. Baby sis! Kuya made fun of you. That's too big for you. Yes. Sa dinner ngayong araw, pinagluto kami ni Eugene ng ginataang isda na may gulay. Hello! Good morning! Hello! Good morning, baby love, baby doll. Baby doll, where's Kuya? Kuya is still sleeping.
Hi guys. So, hello from the Darwin, from the beach, from Darwin Center. So, finally, typhoon is over and it's pretty good weather. Not really good, it's windy, but it's okay to dive.
At sa wakas, ito talaga ang pinakahihintay namin, ang makapag-scuba dive. Sinama namin si Ate Abloy para may magbantay kay Baby Mia at saka kay Yuri habang nagda-dive kami. Matagal nga din kaming hindi nakapag-dive, lalo na ako, simula nung mabuntis ako kay Mia, hindi na ako nakapag-dive. Kaya medyo nag-aalala ako. Pero buti na lang at nag-refresher course kami before mag-dive ng malalim. Nakapasa ang lahat at komportable ang lahat, kaya tara na! Mag-enjoy po kayo sa panunood sa underwater world ng Darwin Negros Oriental, Philippines. Ready na ba po kayong mamangha? Let's go!
I go out? Yeah. Okay.
I need 4 now. Because after giving birth, I can't wait.
Cannot recognize? She cannot recognize me. Mama diver.
Mama and diver.
Pressure milk. Pressurized.
Pressurized milk, not pasteurized. Pressurized.
How's your day?
Really good. Just my mass is always fogging, but overall, I'm much more comfortable in water now.
But I'm not sure I have why don't go.
So I was saying the nudie branch that we saw earlier looks like a slug. It's like a slug underwater. An underwater slug. We'll show in the video, guys. Hopefully it's clear there. Dalawang beses kami nag-dive at ito ang mga kuha namin sa first and second dive namin. Ang ganda talaga ng underwater ng Pilipinas, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda ng mga corals at talagang very rich ang Pilipinas sa marine species. Ang Pilipinas ay kilala bilang one of the best diving spot in the world. Imagine niyo 'yon. Kita nyo naman kung bakit. Kaya nga, hinihikayat ko po ang lahat na alagaan natin ang ating kalikasan, ang ating yamang dagat. Huwag po tayong mag-iwan ng mga basura kung saan-saan para po mapanatili natin ang ganda ng kalikasan ng Pilipinas. Sana po ay maging responsable po tayo. Huwag po nating iwan ang mga basura natin sa ating mga pinapasyalan na lugar o kahit kung saan man. Alagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan, hindi lang po para sa atin, kung hindi po para sa mga susunod pang henerasyon. I'm making here a special dessert, Filipino dessert. It's called mango float for our friend because it's his last day here in Philippines today because he's going back to New Zealand tomorrow. The best Filipino dessert. Ngayong araw nga ay last day ng bakasyon ni Eugene dito sa Pilipinas. At inimbitahan nga niya kami na ilibre niya kami sa isang magandang restaurant dito malapit sa amin. Mga 5 minutes lang galing sa aming bahay. Nasa taas lang to ng aming lugar. Enjoy naman kami sa aming dinner kasama si Eugene before siya bumalik ng New Zealand. Nagpapasalamat talaga kami kay Eugene na binisita niya kami. Lalo na si Yuri. Binisita niya si Yuri sa bakasyon niya ngayong taon dito sa Pilipinas. After niyang bisitahin ang kanyang mama sa Russia, binisita niya rin kami dito. Kaya thank you for everything, Eugene. Kinaumagahan naman bago namin ihatid si Eugene sa airport ay inhatid na muna namin si Yuri sa school kasama si Eugene at nagpaalam na rin siya sa kanyang best friend. Talagang nalungkot si Yuri sa pag-alis ni Eugene, guys. Nalungkot talaga siya ngayong umaga na kasi alam niya na aalis at babalik na ng New Zealand ang kanyang Uncle Eugene. Pero di bali na kasi magkikita pa naman sila ulit this year sa December ang next vacation ni Eugene.
С Юрчиком уже. Спасибо, что thank you for everything that choose us to come for us and for gifts and for your time.
Not living forever.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Have a safe trip. Nira na siya nahilak, te? Oh, looking for mama. Ay, kasi po nang hinilak. Oh. Matuna ako, baby. Matuna ako, baby. Looking for mama. Kalo, it's your baby.